Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable auto brightness on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. In settings, okay, go to display and brightness. In display and brightness, you can see the auto brightness, and on the right side you can see the switch button, and the auto brightness is off. And to enable or turn on the auto brightness, you'll have to do switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled or turn on the auto brightness. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it, okay? And also, there are another option, okay? You'll have to do is slide from top to bottom. And you can see the A button on the right side. If you tap this, the color A button is in color blue. And okay? So, if this color blue, meaning the auto brightness is enabled or turned on. And to disable the auto brightness, you'll have to do stop again the A, and the blue is gone, meaning the auto brightness is off. And that's it, okay? We have successfully enabled or disabled auto brightness on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.